Hi, it's Isha bringing you the very latest in ESPNcricinfo Dailies. Let's jump right into it with some cricket news from the UK. England all-rounder Ben Stokes has been found not guilty of a fray by the Bristol Crown Court in a judgment related to an incident from September last year. Stokes was arrested after the incident and had been on trial since the 6th of August. The end of the court proceedings means that Stokes is cleared to play in the third test against India that's starting on the 18th of August in Nottingham. ECB will carry out a cricket discipline commission, which will consider whether Stokes or Alex Hales, who was also present during the incident, should face any sanction. Stokes has already missed the last Ashes tour as a result of the episode, while Hales missed 2 ODIs at the end of the 2017 English domestic season. Moving on to some cricket news from Pakistan. Former Aussie first-class wicketkeeper Darren Berry has withdrawn his interest in the Pakistan fielding coach role, citing personal and professional reasons. This puts the PCB back in the hunt for a fielding coach after the departure of Steve Rickson. Berry had emerged as a leading candidate after being endorsed by head coach Mickey Arthur. For the position, Berry had even let go of a coaching role in the Global T20 Canada, but when faced with more unusual delays from the PCB, he pulled out of discussions. Berry has renewed his ties with Islamabad United for the next PSL season and also retains his Bangladesh Premier League contract. Moving on to some news from women's cricket. Former India off-spinner Ramesh Pawar's tenure as India women's interim head coach has been extended until the World T20 in November. With India set to tour Sri Lanka next month, the extension comes as the most feasible stopgap arrangement made by the BCCI. Powar was handed the interim role last month, a week after the former head coach Tushar Urothe resigned following a fallout with some of the high-profile regulars. Mamta Maben, who was also in the running for the role of head coach, has agreed with the BCCI's decision to extend Pawar's tenure, given the lack of time between the tour of Sri Lanka and the World T20. Meanwhile, batting stars Harmanpreet Kaur and Smriti Mandhana are set to join the India squad after their Super League stints in England.